start in here. So take a nice deep breath in. Oh yeah.
Ooh, that was good.
Tilt your head a little bit to the side here. Perfect. Do a big stretch in here. My goodness.
Whoa.
Very nice. Now let's go the other way too. Sliding into place today.
I know.
Let's get into this left hip a little bit.
For sure.
Mobilize.
Yeah, it needs it.
Yeah, especially after working 12 days in a row. How many days in a row did you work?
It was like 8 or 9, but still a lot in a row. Business, and so, which I really appreciate for the most part, but like, there's other places that sort of like to have it together. Yeah.
Switch a little closer here. That relax back.
Literally, that's the problem every day.
There it is. Good. Go ahead and lay on your back.
Worked there.
Yeah, I bet. And a little different on this side. There we go. Good. Fantastic. Yeah. Much better.
That does feel a lot better.
Let's give it some space.
Ooh.
There we go.
Yeah, I felt that one for sure.
Nice.
But it definitely, it travels down into my elbows weird, it makes the wrist weird. I know weird is not the most helpful term, but
It's probably accurate.
it's just really tight and it feels like it needs to pop back into place or back out of place or something. But like, I can't figure out how to maneuver that. Yeah, like this elbow is like weird.
Let's see.
And,
Oh,
like,
yeah.
pops right there, yeah. Sometimes if I like throw it enough, I can sort of get it to like click,
Click
but
and
it doesn't
stay.
really, yeah, it doesn't stay for long.
Oh, it's a little better.
It's a little better, yeah.
Yeah, that feels more stable. How's your radial head? Yeah, that clicking. Yeah, actual. So it's about making sure that. Oh, feel that?
I felt that.
How's your calcaneus?
A lot of pops there. Interesting.
Everything moving, hopefully in a good way.
Yeah.
There we go. That feels a little bit more aligned. Check that out.
Oh yeah, I didn't even realize that one was messed up till it's not messed up. Yeah, that feels a lot better.